Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. So if you ever used a drill press before, you know that sometimes when you're drilling holes in hardened steel and even in wood sometimes, once it gets to the end right there, it can grab and it can take your part out of your hand and just whip it out of your hand and start whipping it around on the drill bit. And it's actually pretty damn dangerous. So today's tip is to solve that for you. I just drilled this hole with no problem, and I drilled a few more before it. Working on the trailer here. A lot more to come on that in a different series. So let me show you my little trick. There it is. Just a bolt with a piece of tubing on it, like rubber hose, fuel line, I think this is. And I need to tighten it a little bit so it doesn't move. But what you can do is you can slide that wherever you need it, and then the drill turns to the right most of the time, unless you have a left-handed drill bit, and that's a different tip. But most drill bits drill this way, so righty-tighty. So if you set your piece up against your little stop right there, then when it gets to that point, it pushes up against that stop and doesn't whip the part out of your hand. So let me show you. That's it, guys. You can see how easy that was to hold, and it didn't try to whip it out of my hand. Pretty nice, huh? Better than it whipping it out of your hand. Well, that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.